Single crochet SC every stitch.
Chain 1. Single crochet. Decide a place where you want to put the bag strap. Chain 8. Skip 8 stitch and single crochet again. Chain 8. Skip 8 stitch and single crochet again. These are the holes for the bag strap. Single crochet. Checking, make sure the holes at another side is equal. Chain 8. Skip 8 stitch and single crochet again. Check again. Single crochet. Chain 8. Skip 8 stitch and single crochet again. Single crochet every stitch for 3 rows. A simple bag is partially completed. Checking the holes for the strap. Start crocheting the strap. Start with 6 chains. Single crochet every stitch, total 5 stitch. Chain 1 and turn over. Single crochet every stitch, total 5 stitch. Chain 1 and turn over and repeatedly, till the length you like. Insert the strap in the holes. A beautiful yellow bag is ready. The strap can be adjusted as a sling bag. Hope you like my video tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.